Now we have the 19th question, that is, let y is equal to y of x be the solution of the differential given equation 2 plus sin x divided by y plus 1 dy by dx is equal to minus of cos x, where y is greater than 0 and y of 0 is equal to 1. And if y of pi is equal to a and dy by dx at x is equal to b, then the ordered pair a comma b is equal to, and we have to choose from the given four options. Let's go to the solution. Now we have the solution, that is dy upon y plus 1 is equal to minus of cos x upon 2 plus sin x into dx. Now if we take log on both sides, we have log of y plus 1 is equal to minus log of 2 plus sin x plus k. Now we put 0 and 1 in place of x and y. We have k is equal to log of 4. Now c is equal to y plus 1 into 2 plus sin x is equal to 4. And y of pi is equal to a into a plus 1 into 2 plus 0 is equal to 4, which gives us y of pi is equal to 4 and a is equal to 1. Now dy by dx at x is equal to pi is equal to b. So b is equal to minus 1 of minus into 2 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 1, which gives us b is equal to 1. So since a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, we have a comma b is equal to 1 comma 1, and the answer is b, the second part.